It's your girl Kira Christina, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, thanks for watching. If you are not, thanks for coming back. Make sure you have a pen and paper so you can write down my tips and tricks, so that way you can have a perfect lip like me. And make sure, again, you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave suggestions down below if you want to. But let's get into this video. Alright, so we are about to get into this lip gloss, lip liner. She want lip gloss, lipstick, everything that we need to get into today. I have a lot of people asking me, friends, family, socials, oh, how do you get your lip liner to blend like that? How do you get your lips like that? So I'm about to show you how I get my lips like that, okay? So the first things first is you want to use any kind of brown lip liner, any kind, which means it can be from the hair store, it can be a beauty brand, it does not matter the brand. I say this like this because a lot of people think that the brand matters, and it does not. They all do the same thing, they all smudge, and most of them don't stay as long as you would want them to. You have some, but for the most part, unreliable. So I'm going to be using a lip pencil from the hair store that cost me $1.29. Say what you want, call me cheap, whatever, but guess what? My lips look good and yours don't. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to be using the Jumbo Lip Pencil. This is exactly how it looks, and I'm pretty sure you guys have this at your local beauty store, and it is in the shade dark brown. So usually what I'll do, let me get a mirror. Usually I will underline from here, my corner underneath my bottom lip, to here, because I want a fuller look. However, if you want just your lips line, to be honest, if you are doing this and you're not doing it for fuller lips, or you know, just don't do it, because the whole point of lining your lips is to make them appear juicy and a little bigger, not overboard. I don't overline my top lip. I don't do that. I think that's crazy, but to each his own. So the first thing I'm going to do, make sure your pencil or your lip pencil or your eyebrow pencil, whatever you're using, is sharpened. And then I'm just going to underline my bottom lip. So here, and I am dragging it back and forth. Now, if you have a very pigmented lip pencil, sometimes what will happen is once you underline the bottom lip, if you do like that, it'll automatically transfer for the top, and you can use that as your guide for your top liner, so you don't have to do too much. So see, it just transferred, but I do want my top lip to be a little darker, so I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna now it's blended out. Now sometimes what you can do is you can either go in with a solid lipstick first and then lip gloss, or you can go in with the lip gloss first and then use like a colored lipstick that's liquid. I'm gonna go in with this solid lipstick first because I really do like the nude look. So I'm just going to, hold on, because I had some pencil shavings fall. I'm gonna plop this in the middle, and then I'm gonna pat. And if you're just doing a subtle lip, you don't have to overdo it. You do not have to do too much. Just, you want to make sure that you're not applying too much product. So you see me 1, 2 off. Okay. So now that I have my lipstick on, I'm just patting. Another thing you can do is, if you want it to be blend out seamlessly, you can take, let me see what kind of brush I have here. You can take a brush like this and you can just blend it in. So you can blend that in. And then for your lips, now usually what I do is I personally will take, like, open my lip gloss tube, any clear gloss, take the lip gloss tube and just go over. But for the sake of the video, I am going to use this lip gloss applicator. But usually you just want to overline your lips with this. Okay. Now, because of the video, I'm just going to apply some to the back of my hand. And this is for those people too. If you have clear lip gloss with this applicator too, you can do that. So I'm going to dip that in there. And I'm just going to go over what I outlined. So as you can see, I'm staying within the lines. I'm not going outside the lines. I'm staying within. It's like drawing. I am using these products. These 3. All I need. And if you look at my lips, they look juicy. They look so juicy. And then that's it. So that's really it, y'all. You can do it with any color. You can do it with anything. You do not have to spend a whole bunch of money on lip liner, lip gloss, lipstick. You can literally do this look, and literally once you get used to it, and it doesn't really take that long, but people try to get it perfect. Once you get your technique down pat, I'm talking a minute, less than, you're good. So if you like this video, make sure you comment down below. Show me what you would like to see next. It is your girl Akira Christina, and yeah, bye.